Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to install Bitmoji on computer. Follow these easy steps to easily install and use Bitmoji on computer. Go ahead and launch Chrome browser on your computer. And in this search bar, you have to search for Bitmoji Chrome extension. Search for it. And now all you have to need, open the first link, and then you will directly jump into official Bitmoji Chrome extension page. Here all you have to need, just click on add to Chrome and add extension. Once the Bitmoji extension added, now click on this extension icon and here pin the Bitmoji. And now just click on this Bitmoji extension icon and click on get started. And then you will jump into Bitmoji account login page. Now enter here your Bitmoji account email address and password and click on login to log into your Bitmoji account, or you can log in to your Bitmoji account with Snapchat. And note one thing, that to create a brand new Bitmoji account, you have to install the Bitmoji app on your mobile device, because in computer here is no option to create a brand new Bitmoji account. So I've created my Bitmoji account using Snapchat. So here's I'm clicking on login with Snapchat. And in these steps, click on continue. And as you can see, I've successfully logged in. And now to get or use Bitmoji sticker, all you have to need is click on Bitmoji icon. And here you'll find Bitmoji's stickers, or you can search for a specific sticker using this search box. Just select the sticker and the sticker will be copy. And now let's send this sticker in a message conversation. And now as you can see right now, I'm in messenger conversation, and now I want to send a sticker, actually Bitmoji sticker, in this conversation. So here's I'm clicking on Bitmoji icon and let's select this sticker. So I'm right clicking on the sticker and clicking on copy image. Now I'm simply in this message box pasting the copied Bitmoji sticker, and as you can see, the sticker has been sent to this conversation. So this is how we can easily install and use Bitmoji on our computer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.